Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and I'm looking for my mug, and it's time to rise and whine. More and more people have told me recently that they feel like time is racing by, and part of that is being in overly busy lives and also using social media a lot. And so I started to think about how to make time stand still. And the places where I feel like time goes most slowly are when I'm waiting for something, like in a doctor's office, when I'm sitting there and just waiting. And it reminds me of something my father used to say about how to kind of reduce stress immediately he would say, just be. Find some place to just be. And what he meant by that was a place where you enjoy just being and not doing anything at all. It could be sitting on a bench on the boardwalk near the ocean, or just doing nothing. And the brilliance of that is that we all have access to a place, even if we're just in the moment right now after you stop watching this video, to take a pause, to do nothing for a short period of time, and to experience how in that short period of time, just being can help time stand still and slow things down. I encourage you to try just being and see if that doesn't help you regain the sense that time is not speeding by and that you have all the time that you need. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.